Hi. So once again, I would like to thanks and welcome to all the viewers and the subscriber for this particular videos. This video is the continuation of the my past previous videos, that is with respect to context of an organization, which is really very important for an organization. If we don't understand the context, then it may impact to our organization or our business. So that's why it is very important. So first we will summarize the previous part 1 and part 2, and then we will continue for the part 3. So context of the organization, this is part 3 video. So context of organization, in past videos what we learned, the context of an organization with respect to the quality. So this is just an example I have taken to understand the whole context of an organization, how it can impact to my organization. So quality, there are some other context of an organization like legal, like political and economical, and this is technological, and this is related to the environmental and the social, and the last one is the competitive. But this is not only this is the context, there may be some other context also. So if you have to identify the context of an organization, it is important to understand the geographical area where your company, where your organization is situated. So on the basis of that, on the basis of your product, on the basis of your process, you can identify the context of an organization. So in last previous videos, so we have already discussed all these things, and at the same time in part 2 we identify the issues with respect to the quality, and we have identified the interested parties with respect to the issues. So first we identify the issue, then we go for the interested party. Some of the organization and some other methods could be, you can identify the interested party, then you can link the internal and external issue with respect to your interested party. So these two columns can be interchanged with each other. But that is your capability and skills. How you want to identify these interested parties. Now, in this particular session, we will discuss the need and expectations, risk analysis, and the actions. So, the risk and opportunities. So, risk and opportunities, what could be the risk and opportunities? So, risk and opportunity, when we identify with respect to the quality, then there are some risk and opportunities. What are those? That risk and opportunities could be the brand image losses, market loss, and customer dissatisfaction. Because if we are not able to meet the need and expectation of the interested parties with respect to the warranties, because my issue is warranty. So we are basically connecting our need and expectation risk with respect to the warranty issues. We are aligning these things. So similarly, we can identify this risk and opportunity to the next. And the action could be to meet the customer satisfaction or the need and expectation of the end user. It is very important that warranties should be completed within defined time frame. And expectation is customer should not suffer with respect to the uses, with respect to the extra cost, and any extra cost incurring this replacements. So this kind of customer, this kind of expectation customer is having. So we have to very careful during the identification of the need and expectation and risk. Now, this is management decision whether this risk is very high, this risk is medium to the company, and this risk is having very low severity. Because on the basis of these risk severities, if you understand severity is very high, we will lose our market, we will lose our customer. So in that case, our actions should be some strong actions. But if the severity is very low, then you can define the actions accordingly. Like here, I have shown one example. This is just an example. To fulfill the customer's need and expectations, we have to keep some inventories. Similarly, for others, like this is related to the legal. In legal cases, the risk is the brand loss, the market loss, customer dissatisfaction, etc. etc. So this is also important for an organization. So what could be the action? First of all, we have to list all the legal requirement with respect to the product, with respect to the human, with respect to the process, with respect to the organization, and etc. etc. Because if we understand the legal requirement for all these varieties like product, process, human, organizational, then only it is possible to make the actions, how you will monitor and make the controls over this. Then only you can satisfy this legal. So this is very important. Now, the next is with respect to the our next is, so similarly for dimensional issues, what could be the impact on the interested parties and what are the risk and opportunity, so that we identify slowly like this, and at the same time we have to define the actions accordingly. So I have shown just in examples, this is for reference, just to learn something, how to make the linkage between the context, external internal issues and interested party, and the risk and opportunity and the actions. So I hope this video will be useful for your organization and for your learnings to enhance your competence. If you like this video, if you want to share this video with your colleagues, so it is most welcome, because it may help to your organization and your colleagues' organization. So you can share this video with your friends, with your friend circle and your colleagues or any other team members. So thank you and thank you very much. Okay.